Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, this pattern is probably linked, this video is probably linked in this pattern, how to make this. It's a shirt which you can wear 4 different ways, but basically this tutorial is to show you how to make this part of the shirt, which is this string, movable. So this basically moves up and down the string, and I'm going to show you how to attach your strap to your triangle with this stitch right here. Just this little end, but you're going to be attaching it. So if you have your triangle piece like this is your triangle piece, right? You just made this strap, which goes up and down, and now we're going to be working on the bottom section, which is opposite of your other strap. So this, because I don't have a triangle on me right now, was the bottom of your strap, and you're attaching your strap to the end of it. So let me explain. My bottom of my bikini triangle, imagine, and I'm trying to attach this string so it's able to go up and down. Take it, and you're gonna have your hoop and your string that's attached to everything, and you're gonna take this and you're gonna place it over both of those, so it's kind of getting wrapped around already, like that. And you're gonna take it, wrap it around like this, and then pull it through. So then you're kind of making that single crochet hook but around your work. So then I'm gonna go in to the next one like this and pull that string through like that, wrap around and pull through again. I'm going to do this a few more times just so you guys understand. I'm keeping my hook right here, placing it through, and then grabbing the yarn, pulling through, wrapping around, and pulling through again. Okay, the string right there is broken, but we're going to keep going. Pull through, wrap around, pull through. I'm going to finish my row, so to the end of this. And I'd recommend doing, I'm just using different colors right now, but making sure the strap you're putting on is getting attached with the same color, because as you can see, you can tell the difference between where the green is and where the strap is, and it just looks nicer if this and the green are the same color. So do that, finish it, and once you're at the edge of your row like this, your shirt is, you're able to move up and down the string. Okay, now finishing it, you're gonna want to crochet 2, 1, 2, and then you're gonna want to cut your yarn, pull through, and then tie it off. I'm not gonna do it because this is where I'm gonna be filming my videos, but if you have any problems or questions, please comment them. I'm gonna try to start a YouTube to help people understand things better, but yeah. Also keep in mind that everything I'm doing was taught by myself. I taught it to myself, so if you see it different somewhere else, it's because the way I'm doing it is something I've learned by experience. Okay, clocking out.